Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can upload a video on Meta Business Suite. To start, open your Meta Business Suite and then right here at the bottom, you can see this ad. Just tap on that and then select Media. We now need to select a video from your cell phone. Now I just need to select a video. And then after selecting a video, you can see this. Now just tap on Next. You can also edit your video right here. Or you can also add a hashtag. For example, buy now. And then after that, just tap on Next. After that, you can now again add a hashtag where people can search for you quickly. So you can choose any hashtag or any words that are related to your video that you think that your viewers or customer will search for that word. And then after that, just tap on Add. Now just tap on Next. Now we need to select scheduling options if you want to publish it now, save as draft, or you can schedule it for later. Now if your video is all ready, just tap on Publish to post your video. And that's it! I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.